Today we will be trying out a Nublume Bloombox growing kit to grow organic blue oyster mushrooms, and this is our first time trying to grow box mushrooms. We had never seen blue oyster mushrooms before, so we are excited to try to see this unique color. We will start by cutting an X in the substrate box. We will then spray a small amount of water to add some moisture. The mushrooms, after about 12 days, developed a small white bulge to indicate its growth. 1 day later, small blue pins came up, and we could see the mushrooms growing for the first time. Our mushrooms did not have a very blue appearance when grown like this. The mushrooms had more of a gray color. We now harvested our mushrooms gently with a knife. We cleaned them gently with water and cut some thick stalks off. We gently coated the mushrooms with some olive oil and seasoned them to perfection. The mushrooms were sautéed in the pan for just a couple minutes. Please like and subscribe. It helps a small channel like ours tremendously. Bon appetit!